Well, good evening, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings to every one of you. So my name is Kumar, and I am the trainer for this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the session for today, can any one of you please confirm, am I audible to everyone clearly? Can anyone of you please?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
your voice is clear
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone. Thanks for
Yeah, it's
confirming.
very clear. It's very clear to everyone. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Thank you everyone for confirmation, team. 1 second. Okay. So well, again, team, first of all, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. So as I told you, my name is Kumar and I'm the director for TrioTech Software Trainings. And I'm also trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the session for today, we have a small announcement to every one of you. Because today in this demo, we have mix of participants joined. I mean to say, if I have to segregate the kind of students or the participants joined today's demo, we have mix of people from different backgrounds they coming up team. So we have freshers who recently passed out from the colleges from different backgrounds. It could be B.Tech, it could be any BSc, BCom, BBA, MBA, MCA, any background team. Freshers who recently passed out from colleges and looking to start their career in IT industry with very good technology and high paid technology in the market. We also have kind of people who completed their graduations or their degrees or colleges and been waiting to start their career into IT, but they already have a gap of 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years down the line. We have that kind of people with some 3 to 4 years of gaps after their graduation team. And also we have people with different non-IT experiences. Prior to this, they might be working in different non-IT domains, like they are from HR backgrounds, marketing backgrounds, finance backgrounds, or they might be from sales, anything team. From non-IT, you have the other non-IT experiences. Now you are planning to learn a good technology in the IT industry, which is suitable to you and looking to start your career in IT. We have such kind of people also join the session today. And the other kind of participants who are already working in IT industry, but into other technologies, something like you might be working into prior ERP tools like PeopleSoft, Oracle E-Business Suite, Oracle DBA, or SAP, or Azure, DevOps. It could be any other technology team or from a testing background. Now you want to have your career transition smoothly into a new technology with a long lasting career, that too with a high packages team. So total, we have 4 to 5 categories of people attending the demo session today. Why I'm telling that means we have kept everyone in mute in today's session. Some of you might be realized it by this time. I have kept mute everyone in the call today team. Why? Because if I start taking up the questions in between the session, the entire flow will get interrupts and your question might not be relevant to other participants' team. For today, as a demo, as we have participants different background coming up, all are not on the same page, we kept everyone in mute. If you have any questions, team, my sincere request to every one of you, please make a note of them. You can drop them in the chat board. Please list it down. At the end of the session today, I will address each one of your queries and then only I will close the call for today. So please jot it down. Please write them, whatever you have in mind. See, I can tell you one thing. I have already taken up several batches on this technology. As I told you, we started TrioTech software trainings in 2015 in Hyderabad in KPHB. We exclusively train students on Oracle Fusion technologies. And my subject matter expertise is into Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Every month, hundreds of students have been training. And if you see sum up from last 10 years, close than 20,000 plus mark we have reached training into different technologies. So I have some knowledge on what candidate will have, what student concerns, like what kind of concerns before they enrolling into the program the students will have, what sort of questions they have. Today's demo I prepared in such a way that after 1 hour or 1.5 hours, you will be getting all your questions addressed through the session. Whatever you have in mind, because many of you who joined the demo today, prior to this already had a discussion or a word with me. People staying in Hyderabad, few of them already met me in the last 10 days in my office in Hyderabad. Already you have discussed with me. So I have listed out what sort of concerns or the questions people usually have in mind before selecting this technology as their career stream. Usually what we have, first of all, people who don't know anything about this domain, what is this technology is about, for what purpose this will be used. If we learn it, where we will be working in the market, what type of companies will recruit us in the market. If not that, what kind of scope we have in the market, what sort of demand we have in the market in this technology. For next how many years the market for this domain we have, or for how many years we can survive in this technology, right team? If not that, what sort of packages do we have calls in the market, or do we have good packages in this technology? These type of questions. Or if not, I'm from a non-IT background, or I have a very long career gap, Kumar. I have 10 years career gap. Now I want to transition my career into Oracle HCM Cloud. Am I eligible to learn this or not? Okay. If at all you are eligible, what sort of support you will provide for pushing our profiles to companies. So these all questions, team, will get addressed in due course of time. So I request everyone, just be on the mute for next 1 hour or 1.5 hours. As today is demo session, slightly session might extend, team, but from tomorrow regular classes will be starting strictly 1 hour, 7:30 to 8:30. But today we might have a little bit of slight stretching to cover all the concepts that we planned for today, team. So just put on your earphones, just enjoy the session, team, so that you will get all your queries or questions answered within this session only, right? That is what the announcement I want to make before starting the session. So now let us get into the topic for today. Why you joined this session? As we all know, today we are having a masterclass demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So what is this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications? Okay. And today in this session, I'm going to explain you how to land upon a high paying job, even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences. Many people, team, the very first question, I've been seeing many candidates from last 10 years, team. The very first question people ask me, Kumar, I'm hesitate towards coding. I don't know any languages. I don't know SQL. I don't know PLSQL, Java, Python, even basic C++, C language also I don't know, Kumar. I won't get understand also if I join that sessions. Can I able to learn this course? I'm looking for a technology to start my career with a very good package, and that technology should be completely, when I say completely, zero. When I say completely, zero. Zero coding application. Is there any technology like that? Today, I'm going to introduce to you one such technology we have in the market, which is completely zero coding, and people from any educational backgrounds. You no need to be from a technical background. You no need to be from a BTech background or a MCA background or BSc computers. Nothing. People from any background. You might be from arts background. You might be from social background, or you might be from maths background, like BA, BCom, BSc, pharmacy, anything team. If you have good knowledge, you are a trained resource in this technology, companies don't have any issues in recruiting you. That is definitely 100%. I'm not just telling it, or it's not a very vague statement I'm passing here. Out of my experience, many of my candidates from different streams, different backgrounds have successfully placed in the company's team. I'm not telling that I 100% placed them. The training that what I have given, the roadmap what I have given to them, that makes them to secure the job, and they're drawing around 20, 25 to 35 lakh CTCs also with just span of 4 to 5 years team. The market is ready to recruit people from any educational backgrounds and any non-IT experiences also. One such technology, which is completely zero coding, and people from any background to learn this course, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. What is that technology? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. Today we are going to talk about that team. So before getting into today's agenda, what we are going to talk in today's demo, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, what experience that I have in this technology team. So as I told you already, my name is Kumar, and I'm the trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications in TrioTech, and I'm also a director for TrioTech Software Trainings team. So I'm having total, as of today, April 2025, total I have completed 15 plus years of my IT experiences team. I mean to say, overall 15 plus years experience I have team, in which 12 plus years I'm into IT consulting team. Prior to that, I have some domain experiences, but from last 12 plus years, I've been part of this IT industry team. So overall, 15 plus years of experience I have in this demo. I mean, in this IT industry team. Now coming to my experience with Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Okay. So from last 9 years, I've been part of extensively working on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So as I told you, I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist team. And coming to my projecting experience, total 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects I worked on so far in this technology. Coming to the clients that I worked for team, they've been from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, and even currently I'm working for one of the global client that as one of the global implementation I've been part of team. I'm working as a solution architect in that project, where I've been leading close to 25 plus resources under me. That is my experience with this Oracle HCM Cloud Applications team. I'm an ex-Deloitte Infosys E&Y employee, and currently also I'm working on multiple projects. Out of that, one of the one of the mentionable project is, as I told you, that global rollout, that what we are into currently, team. And I'm also a corporate trainer who delivered 20 plus trainings to several companies, team. Like along with the projects that we've been working, team, as part of my training services, along with the regular trainings that we have every month happens in TrioTech team, we do conduct trainings for corporate companies also. Companies will be reaching out to us for training their employees. So as part of that, I have delivered 25 plus trainings covering Deloitte, TechM, then Evosys and Amway, and also American Express. And I also traveled recently for Malaysia for serving the client called DHL Couriers team. We have a logistic company. So this is my experience in total with respective to this Oracle HCM Cloud Applications team. Okay. So let me move on to today's demo agenda. What we are going to discuss in today's session, team. So first we will talk about introduction to ERP. Team, just a second, team, just a second. So first of all, today we'll be talking about introduction to ERP first of all, team. Why? Because this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications part of ERP family. So what is ERP? For what purpose we have ERP concept in the market? What are the different ERP products available in the market? I will give you a brief introduction about that here, team. And then I will talk about what is this Oracle Fusion application. I'm talking that our technology name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So what is that? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application means. And we'll also see Fusion applications evaluation overview. I mean, when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, before that, what are the existing ERP products we have in the market? That entire evaluation path we will talk about here, team. The history of the Fusion application, how old the Fusion applications are, team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved, team. See, any technology in the software industry you learn, whenever you starting your career in these technologies, typically what type of companies involved? Who is vendor? Who is called as client or customer? Who is called as service provider? Once you learn this, in what type of companies you will be recruited on what roles, that I will give you introduction here, team. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases. In which year Oracle introduced Fusion application? Since then, how the application got evolved? See, like every other software application, team, in Oracle Fusion also, we have upgradation policy. Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy, team. Yearly 4 times, every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade the application. What is that cycle? What is the release versioning sequence Oracle will follow? That all we will talk here, team. And then I will introduce to you modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Because here, many of you might have a question in mind, because some of you already know about this technology. Your brother might refer, your uncle might refer, your sister might refer something. And many of you have a question, Kumar, what is functional? What is technical in this technology? What we have to learn? First of all, what you are going to train us? Here first I will explain you what is functional, what is technical in this technology. What are the modules we have in this technology? In this training program, what we are going to offer, that we will talk here, team. And then, team, I will also talk about career opportunities in this technology. Once you learn this program, what kind of roles you will be working, what sort of companies will recruit you, what kind of packages currently companies offering, that I will talk here, team. And then I will introduce to you Oracle's knowledge repository. What sort of materials that we provide as part of this training program. Along with that, if you want to access Oracle standard documents, where we have to go and where we have to search in the internet, that I will introduce here, team. And then few of you might have a kind of concern. What about certification, Kumar? Once we learn this, do we have to do Oracle certification? Is it mandatory? What is the process? What is the cost for that? That I will explain here, team. And finally, I will conclude the session for today with why TrioTech, why Kumar particularly as your trainer to choose. So this is what the agenda for today, team. So as I told you, please be on the session till end so that you will not miss any of these things, team. Before taking the decision of choosing a technology, a very structured information is needed, team. So today's demo also, from intro to till the certification process, step by step, I have mentioned here, team, and we will be talking them. Okay. So at the end of the session, I will discuss with you what will be this program details, how many months program, what will be the timings, from when it is going to start, and most importantly, every one of you have an offer going on for this course enrollment, team, early bird offer. What is that? At the end of the session, I will be explaining you that, team. So I request everyone, please focus for next 1 hour so that you will understand all these things very detailedly. So people who contacted to us already, okay, fine. But who joined the demo directly today, team? Our team reaching out to you in your chat button, right? You are getting messages in your chat board, team. In the Zoom strip, you have chat option. In that, our team sending the Google form link, team. So I request everyone, please fill that Google form so that after the training, our team can reach out to you for the enrollment, team. Today night or maximum tomorrow first half, we will be closing the enrollments. If you are not filling that Google form, it will be difficult for us to reach out to you. So please fill that Google form so that our team will reach out to you in the WhatsApp, only in the WhatsApp, team, to reach out to you so that you can able to communicate with us. Okay. So let me start the first topic for today, introduction to ERP. So what is this ERP, team? What is this concept of ERP, team? Before getting into that, team, let me walk through this slide. First of all, the very basic question everyone will have: for whom this course is for? Am I eligible to learn this course? You can walk through these points, team. If you fall in any of these criteria, then you are eligible to learn this course absolutely. Who all these, team? First of all, if you are in your final year of degree, you are in the last year of your education, you want to pursue a very good technology in the market to start your IT career, then you are eligible to learn any degree. It's not only BTech or MCA, any degree. If you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, you are a fresher, recently completed your graduation, you want to start your career into IT, team, then you are eligible to learn this. If you want to get a high paying job moving out of your current boring, unstable job. Nothing but you might be working from non-IT background stream or within IT only into low performing technologies in the market, low salaries or packages you are working for a long time. You want to transition your career team, then you are eligible to learn this course. If you want to get a salary of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years, it's very clear, team. The market is ready to provide good packages to the candidates. We have seen freshers companies offering with a package of an average 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum team. Recently, companies like DriveStream, Apps Associate, Betrans, Mastech, and even Cognizant and Oracle from Hyderabad recruiting freshers from colleges also team. And they've been offering 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs an average CTC for freshers. And people with 3 to 5 years of experience range in this domain, companies offering around 20 to 35 lakhs CTC team. These are real numbers. If you want, you can go into Naukri website or LinkedIn or Shine or Monster, any of the job portals you go, and you can search with this technology keyword. You can see what sort of packages companies offering in the market team. Okay. So these are very practical, real-time numbers which we've been experiencing with our candidates team. Okay. So finally, people from any degree or any background can able to learn this technology team. Okay. So 25 to 45 is something in the next 4 to 5 years. I'm telling that, not for a fresher. People with 4 to 5 years or 6 years relevant experience in this domain, companies are offering that team. It's clear. Okay. Now let me move on to the very first concept, that is, what is ERP? Okay. Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for. What is this thing? See, ERP is nothing but team. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, commerce, manufacturing, and human resource activity. So basically, team, an ERP is a business process management software. See, you take any company as an example in the market team. Reliance Industry you take, okay, or Tata Group you take, or Amazon, Flipkart, Google, any company that you know, take as an example in the market team. See, in every company, there will be different business processes involved. There will be human resource department team who will be taking care of all HR related activities in the company. There will be finance department in every company which will be taking up all finance related activities like company payments, receivables, debits, credits, everything team. If it is a manufacturing company, supply chain department, procurement department, and sales, marketing. See, to run a company team, different business processes are involved. So in order to conduct all these business operations, companies required a tech-based modular softwares in the market. For example, you take team, our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means what? Please focus here. HCM means what, team? Human Capital Management Cloud. So this is basically an ERP application that serves human resource services team. It means in any company, in order to conduct the day-to-day HR related activities, companies will use this technology team. So what are HR activities, Kumar, in every company? Starting from employee recruitment, employee attendance, employee salaries, employee performance appraisals, and employee exit. From hiring to retiring of the employee, all these are HR activities in the company team. So basically, in any company, in order to conduct HR related activities, this technology will be used, team. You can ask me, Kumar, do this technology really need in any company? See, traditional way was manual team. Everything used to perform manually. How many employees present today? How many employees salaries paid today? Everything in the manual books. Attendance used to take in books team. In our childhood, in our schools also, how the attendance used to take, our class teacher used to have a attendance book. All our names will be there in that. Calendar will be there, 1 to 30 days. Every day, teacher used to take attendance team. Even companies also, old traditional ways team, manually they used to maintain. But in 1970s and 1980s, IT revolution started. Many technological based services came in the market. Many tech based software applications came in the market team. So ERP is a category, is a family. Under that ERP family, different companies offering different ERP products. One among them is Oracle. Oracle. Then we have other ERP applications in the market like SAP, Salesforce, Northgate, Pegasus, Blackboard, right? And our very well-known Indian ERP, now in the market, we have Zoho. So team, different ERP products available in the market team. Just for reference purpose, I kept many competitors of Oracle also here. I don't say competitors, yes, they are counterparts to Oracle team. So one such product that Oracle Corporation offering in the market team, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So any company team, in order to conduct their day-to-day HR activities, this Oracle HCM Cloud applications companies will be using team. Now, some of my friends will get a doubt here. Kumar, if we learn this course, are we starting our careers as HRs in the company? No. Many of you have this doubt, team, because in fact, when I'm speaking with many of my students in the time of counselings in the office, also team or through mobile or phone, people ask me the same question. Sir, like, if we learn this, do we starting as a core HR person? Because in the market, general perception will be there. The HRs might have a very lavish professional career, but salaries part will be very low. It's not that fascinating to us. No, team, definitely not. This is HR related software application. Once you learn this, you will not work as HR in any company. You will be working as a software engineer in these technologies in the IT companies team. So you are nowhere a HR in the market. You are a software consultant or a software engineer who works on this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud product or application team, right? That is just for information I'm telling team. So this is about team, the concept of ERP in the system. Now, if we go to what is this Oracle Fusion applications team? Little background about this, let us get into for 5 minutes team. See, if anyone asks me, hey Kumar, what is Oracle Fusion application? See, I will best describe Fusion applications as they built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options team. What I mean by built on open standard based platform, see, this is just for info team. In the interviews, no one will ask about this, just for your information. Because some people who joining the session today, you might be from middleware background, SOA backgrounds, or DBA backgrounds. You might have some technical knowledge prior to this team. So you are more curious to know what is the background of Fusion application, the backend schema for you people team. Rest of them ignore. See, Oracle SOA, service-oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center portal. These all are the different individual technical tools available in the market team. The Fusion applications built or the backend of the Fusion applications built on all these technologies in the market team. And then came Fusion applications built on best business processes. This is very important team. Every one of you very focused here. Because when you learning this technology, you have to know the roots. Like in our family, how we should know what is our family background, our forefathers or the history of our family tree, how is important to know. When you learning a technology team, what are the roots of that? From where this application evolved? Very important team. At least to discuss with your colleagues in the offices, or might be getting a question also in the interview with respect to this team. So Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. Means team, here whatever I kept on the slide, Oracle e-business suite, EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, what are all these teams? If I go to this slide, you will understand. Fusion evaluation path. See team, prior to 2006, you should remember this very importantly. Now we are in 2011, we are in 2025 now. Okay. Prior to 2006, all these are individual ERP products in the market team. Oracle's own ERP product was Oracle e-business suite. Even now we have e-business suite in the market team. But prior to 2006, Oracle's own ERP product, EBS, and we have PeopleSoft, which was owned by PeopleSoft Corporation team. Then we have JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. All these were different individual ERP technologies available in the market prior to 2006. But there was a very serious concern during that time. What was that team? None of the applications in the market during that time were very much stable or very much matured, good enough in all the business areas team. If you take PeopleSoft team, PeopleSoft was very good at HRMS area, HR business area, like our HCM team. JD Edwards was very good at procurement and financials. Siebel was very good at CRM. Hyperion for reporting. EBS of Oracle was very good at financials. But none of the applications were good at all the business areas team. So what Oracle did team? In the year 2011, when team? In the year 2011, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition. That was one of the biggest acquisition during that time in the across corporate world. In the year 2011, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all best ERP tools in the market. Oracle anyhow have their own e-business suite team. Oracle purchased PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft Corporation. Oracle acquired JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion. What Oracle did, just it not only acquired team, they started building a new age application team. So the only intention of Oracle Fusion or Oracle Corporation is to become a market leader in ERP segment. So they want to be a top. No SAP, no Workday, no Salesforce, nothing. So in the year 2011, after acquiring the few, my voice is low. I don't think so, because some of you are telling my voice is low. Am I clear to everyone? Can anyone of you please confirm?
Yes, you're clear.
Voice is low.
Yes.
Low.
Yeah,
Can you please
voice is low.
increase your volume
Sometimes
also?
Little bit is low, sir.
Periodically voice.
Kumar, actually, sometimes it's getting low and sometimes it's
Acha, okay.
Yes,
proper.
yes.
No problem.
Time is
I'll
little
sort
low.
out.
There is a
I'll fix it.
latency. There is a latency in the voice.
Okay, okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. I'll confirm. Okay. So team, what Oracle did was during that time, in 2011, when Oracle acquired the Fusion application, acquired all these products team, Oracle taken HRMS knowledge from PeopleSoft, procurement knowledge from JD Edwards, CRM knowledge from Siebel, reporting knowledge from Hyperion, financials knowledge from Oracle's own product of EBS, and they build new technology that is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team on a cloud-based model, because entirely market now moving towards cloud-based deployments team. No client or a company interested with on-premise or the old methods team. Everywhere, everyone moving towards cloud. So team, in 2006, Oracle acquired all these products in the market team, and they have taken best of the best knowledges in the market team, and they built these Fusion applications. In the year 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications into the open world. Sorry if I made a statement that it acquired in 2011. No. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies. And in the year 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications, a new product in the market. Now, immediately, some of my friends will get a question. Kumar, we are in 2025 and you are telling the application launched in 2011. Almost 14 years, Kumar. Now you are asking us to learn this. Yes, 2011 it introduced it in the market. They are basic beta versions team. But the actual market for Fusion application started from 2016, 2017 onwards only team. So the actual penetration of Fusion application team started from 2016, 2017 team. So here the best part, why the demand for Oracle Fusion applications is very phenomenal currently is team. Now we can say proudly that Oracle Fusion applications are very stable, very matured in all the business functionalities team. You take HCM, you take financials, you take supply chain, you take procurement. Across every domain, Oracle Fusion applications are very stable, very matured. And the most advantage for Oracle is team, all these companies when Oracle acquired, now Oracle insisting all the customers who using these products currently to move to Fusion. As per the latest update from Oracle team, till 2035 only, Oracle support customers for these applications team. So they insisting all their customers to move to Fusion. So already Oracle having a huge customer base with respective to utilization of all these applications team. So that is what the vacuum created here. Suddenly we've been seen from last 1-2 years, companies moving to Oracle Fusion. Many companies in the market buying this product from Oracle team. That is the reason people who working on this technology, the demand phenomenally rises team. So now the market for Fusion applications is very good. It's not good, it's exceptionally, phenomenally good team. So whatever the packages I mentioned, they are proven taken by the company's team. So only concern is when you're learning a technology, whether you will get a call or not when you drop a resume in the Naukri. Try it out. Create a dummy resume with three years experience or 2 years experience, whatever you want, fresher or 2 years or whatever. Check it out, what kind of calls you will be receiving, right? So that you can able to get comfortable by yourself team. It's an open thing to everyone. You can check it out. It's not that I'm telling you. Okay. So this is about team Fusion evaluation path. So Fusion application team deployed through selection of options, on-premise and cloud team. See, on-premise means that was the old deployment model team. When any company buy the product from Oracle, along with the application, company used to buy the server from Oracle. They have to install that server in their own office premises, and the application should be installed in that. So companies used to recruit their own database administrator, system admin, security specialist, everything about the application, maintenance, security, upgradation, companies used to maintain team. But now in cloud-based deployment options team, any company who buying the product from Oracle in order to use that in their day-to-day life in the company's team, they don't need to buy anything from Oracle. Everything delivered on a cloud-based subscription. When I say cloud team, what do you mean by cloud? Everywhere you might be also hearing team. Your mobile iCloud, you have Google Cloud, you have, what are all these things team? Something hosted over the internet. What is that team? Cloud means an application that is hosted over the internet is called as cloud. So Fusion applications also team completely on a cloud-based model. Now, any company, you take team, for example, our very well-known Reliance company in the market you take. Let's say Reliance Industries now want to buy Oracle Fusion applications in their day-to-day HR activities to perform team. When Reliance buy this product from Oracle, how the application will deliver team? Just in the form of this URL team. This is Oracle application, just in the form of URL. Just you go, search the URL in any of your browser, just enter. Now see team, just I have searched it. Anywhere did I install this application? See, this is auto save team in my application because for my all classes, I will use this URL. Just let me sign out team. Usually when you pass your application URL in the browser team, the main page like this, it will come. Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Just you paste your URL here team. See, this is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Take any browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, just pass that URL. It will prompt you to this page team. Sign in Oracle Applications Cloud, user ID and password. If you give them and if you click on sign in, my page is loading here. I will land upon Fusion Applications team. This is the main home screen and the look and feel of Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Did anywhere I install this application in my laptop? Did I run any software in my laptop to open the application? No, just an active laptop with good internet connection sufficient to access Fusion Applications team. Okay, Fusion Applications team. Okay, so Fusion applications now on a completely cloud-based option means the applications can access like that team. Now let me go on to team types of companies involved. See, this is very basic information only. People from IT experiences you might know, but for non-IT people and freshers, I'm covering this team. See, in any usability of the software applications team, any technology you take, not only Oracle HCM team, you take DevOps, you take AWS, you take Azure, you take Python, any technology in the market, you take team. Typically, three types of people, three types of companies involved. Okay, focus on my cursor team, where the red color spot coming. Service provider, first of all. Who is this team? Company who selling the product in the market, that is called as service provider. First of all team, this Oracle HCM Cloud applications are owned by whom? Whose applications these are? They are owned by Oracle Corporation. Okay. So Oracle India Private Limited is the service provider company, vendor company who sell the product team, the manufacturer of this product. Okay. Then team, client or customer company. From last half an hour at least, I'm using the word client. In the corporate world, people who working nearby in your friends or colleagues team, they might be frequently telling you, hey, my client is like this, my client is like that. What is client or customer means what? Client or customer company means company who purchase the product and who use that product in their day-to-day life businesses team. For example, you take Reliance Industries team. Now, Reliance planning to buy this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications in their day-to-day HR activities to perform team. So Reliance, who going to buy the product from Oracle, who is going to use that product from Oracle team, that are called as client or company. Example to make you understand, I'm taking Reliance. It could be any company in the market team. So now in this example team, Reliance Industries, client or the customer, buying the product from Oracle. Reliance is not an IT company or a self-reliable company to use the product by themselves to configure themselves team. What Reliance will do team? Reliance will reach out to consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies means what team? Companies who implement the product according to the client requirement. Now, Reliance is the client company team. Reliance bought the product from Oracle. So a blank product will be delivered with all functionalities team. See, when you buy a mobile, you bought a very new brand new iPhone today team. Okay. iPhone will come with all functionalities. But what you will do, you will input all your data. What all applications you want, you will download. You will sign in with your Gmail. You will import your photos. You will import your contacts. You will make that iPhone how you want with all your data for utilization team. But here team, these are big IT technologies team. When a client buy the product, they cannot self-configure that team. Application will deliver with full functionalities team. So what Reliance will do? Reliance will reach out to the IT companies in the market. Consulting companies means so-called software companies in the market. Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, so on. So Reliance will reach to these consulting companies. Reliance will give project to these companies team. So these companies will get the requirement from the clients and they will configure the system according to their requirement with their data so that they can use that system in their day-to-day life team. So once you train on this technology, you will be working in these consulting companies most of the times in the market. So in these so-called software companies team, you will be starting your careers as Oracle Fusion HCM consultants. So when your company gets the projects, you will be deployed for that client. So you have to configure that team. This 3 months training, we are going to train you on that implementation. So end-to-end implementation training. Once you get into the job, what you will work, in which system, in live you will work. The 3 months training will be that only. Okay. So this is about team, types of companies involved. Now team, let me move on to Fusion environment releases. I told you team, in 2011, Fusion applications were introduced in the open world team. When? In 2011, right team? So in 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market team, what is the release version that they came up with, you know, team? R1. R1. This is the release version that Oracle introduced the Fusion applications team. When? In 2011, when Oracle introduced the applications team. The software version I'm talking about team. Since then, okay, since then, application got evolved, okay. Now we are in 2025 team. The latest version of the Fusion applications team, the latest version of the Fusion applications team R13. So actually team, we reached R13 by 2017 and early 2018 only team. Oracle made R13 as a static version for the Fusion applications team. So when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market team in 2011, these are very important. Nowhere it will be covered. Okay. In 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications team, the version they came up with R1. Since then, year by year, it evolved. Now the latest version of the Fusion application is R13, because when you attend the interview, the very high chances we have team, interviewer will ask you, in which release versions you worked on? Simple question. See, let's say you put some experience and you are trying team. I know many of you will plan in that way. 3 years or 4 years fake experiences you will keep. Okay. You might get a question like this. The problem is really you didn't work on. You are just showcasing your experience and you dropped the resume. Call schedule, you got a question. In which releases you worked on in Fusion application? How you will work, how you will explain that team? That is the reason I'm covering this release versions. So in Fusion applications team, R1 is the version that they introduced the applications team. Now it is R13. So 2017, 2018 only we reached to R13. So now we are in 2025. If anyone keep experience also, they will keep 3 years or 4 years. Nothing but from 21 or 20 you are working. So by that time, Fusion applications was in R13 only. So tell the interviewer that I started working from R13 in the Fusion system. From R1 to R10 team, okay, R9 and R10. Fusion applications who bought during this time, application delivered both in on-premises and cloud. Option Oracle given during that time. But from release 10, Oracle stopped on-premise team. Completely they are selling the product only on the cloud-based model. But customers who bought the product during this time, both options Oracle given. But only cloud now Oracle applications are team. So in the interview, if you get a question, tell that I started working from release 13. Then what we have to learn here, team, we have to talk about the upgradation policy in the Fusion system. Basically, team, Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Okay. Quarterly upgradation policy. Team, as I informed you, already we started late today because of all people to join. So slightly the session will extend, team, for more 20 minutes maximum. Please be on the call so that I can explain all the details fully. Okay. So team, quarterly upgradation policy Oracle will follow. What do you mean by this, team? See, like every other software, if you take your Android mobile or iOS or Windows laptop, you take, team, on a timely manner, the software upgrades will come. iOS 10 to iOS 10.5, iOS 10.5 to iOS 11, or Android 7 to Android 8, Android 8 to Android 10. How the versions of the softwares are getting upgraded, team. Similarly, in Fusion applications also, team, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every year, 4 times, every year, 4 times, Oracle will upgrade their applications, team. These are very important. Okay. Without this basic knowledge, team, learning the technology is not a right approach. So very important to know this. Please kindly focus. Every year, 4 times, Oracle will upgrade their applications, team. So quarterly upgrade, yearly 12 months we have, team, Jan to December. If you convert them into quarter, 4 quarters, each quarter means 3 months, Jan, Feb, March. This is first quarter, team. Then April, May, June. This is second quarter, team. July, August, September. This is third quarter. October, November, December. This is fourth quarter team, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, team? So every year, 4 quarters we have team. Jan to December, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yearly 4 times Oracle will upgrade the application team because Oracle is in a continuous thrust that they want to make their applications best of the best in the market team. So Oracle investing a lot in the research and development. So in every 3 months, when they upgrade their application team, every time some new enhancements, some new features Oracle brings in the system. It's not a phenomenal change, incremental changes, small enhancements, new things Oracle will bring in team. Any bugs in the system, clients reported in the previous releases team. 1 second, team. Any bugs client reported in the previous releases team, that bug fixes. So every quarterly upgrades team, these things Oracle will do. So what is the pattern Oracle will follow? Let me get into the system team. So anyhow, I logged in. Let me check out what is the latest version of the Fusion application team. See, usually, see these all logins, this URL, these codes. In tomorrow's session, I'm going to explain you team. What are these functionalities on the screen and all. But let me go directly team. Usually once you log into the system, if you go to the right side, settings and action team, here about this application, if you go, what is the latest version of the application you can see? What is this team? 25B. Some 11.13 point is there. Kumar, you told R13, no? Yes, everywhere you see team. Application Development Framework, REL 13. Middleware Extension, REL 13. Database Compatibility, REL 13. So the latest version of the Fusion application as of today is 30th April 2025, Wednesday. As of today, the latest version in the market is R1325B. What is that team? R1325B. Kumar, what is this 25B, Kumar? I'll tell you, team. See, 25 stands for the financial year we are in currently. We are in 2025. B stands for each quarter, 4 quarters, right? Oracle named them in the alphabetical order A, B, C, D. So quarter 1, A, quarter B, 2, second quarter B, third quarter C and D. So now we are April 2025. So we are into second quarter team, correct? We're into second quarter team. That is what team? 25B means that one. 25B means that one team. See, B stands for the quarter in the year we currently. Next team, by the time we complete this course, we will be entering to 25C. Next quarterly upgrade will be 25C. And then team 25D. Previous quarter was 25A. Next year team, the numbering will fall like 2026, right? 26A, 26B, 26C, 26D. So team, every year Oracle will flow with the pattern like this team. So release 13, 25B means second quarterly upgrade. Next, it will be 25C. Like that, the sequencing numbering Oracle will follow. Kumar, what do you mean by this 11.13.25? 11 stands for the financial year that Oracle launched the application, 2011. 13 stands for R13, release 13. 25 stands for the financial year we are in. 4 stands for which quarterly upgrade? Second quarterly upgrade we are in. In second quarterly upgrade, first month is April. April means what? Fourth month. That is 04. 0 is common team. If anyone want, take a picture of this team. In the month of July, you come and check team. The next version will be release 1325C 11.13.25.07. In this quarter, first month is July. July means 7th month, 07. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. Okay. And the numbering or the sequencing Oracle will flow like this. So this is the release versions of the Fusion application team. Now let us move on to the main part. In this technology, what all modules we have in the system team. So this is team Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications, right? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So in this technology, first of all, what all modules we have in the system, let me list it down. Then I will explain you team, what comes under functional, what comes under technical team. So let me talk about team modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Okay. What are the modules we have in Oracle HCM Cloud? We have team modules like, let me list it down first of all. Core HR, or we can call it as global HR team. Then we have absence management team. Okay. Then we have payroll management team. Then we have, okay. Then we have talent management team. Okay. Talent management team. So in talent, we have multiple modules like profiles, goal management, performance management, talent review, succession management, multiple concepts team. Then we have compensation and benefits module team. Usually these two are two different modules, but we call them together team. Then we have OTL. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. And we have some advanced modules team, help desk and safety, or HCM communicate, some advanced, okay, are very less used modules also their team, help desk and safety. A part of these modules team in the system, we have some more common configurations. They are security administration. Then we have team workflows and approvals. Then we have customizations, okay, and personalizations, right team? Then we have, here we have a concept team, something like sandbox, then HCM design studio, multiple components we have, we will touch base on that team. Then we have inbound integrations team, okay. In this inbound integrations team, we have HCM data loader, okay, like HDL, then spreadsheet data loader, SDL, like that team. Then we have team something like outbound integrations. Here we have team reporting tools like BI reports, OTBI reports, okay, HCM extracts, right team? So like this, we have some tools available team. And then we have a concept called fast formulas, right team? So team, in total, there is nothing left out in this technology team. Entire components in this technology are these things. Okay. Here, these all are modules team, and these all are additional topics we have in the system. Be focused, very important to know this part. What comes under functional, what comes under technical. And some of my friends also have doubts. Kumar, any prerequisites we have to learn before learning this technology, like SQL, PLSQL, anything. See team, these all will come under functional side of the application team. What is that? These all come under functional side of the application team. Functional side of the application team. And these comes under technical side of the application. Okay. Functional and technical means these things. Functional and technical means these things. See, if you ask me personally, Kumar, really these components are functional, technical. If you ask me personally, team, security, workflows, customizations, team, these are actually part of functional only. But usually all training institutes, including me, because I have to also follow with all other institutes in the market, we are offering them in technical front. But usually these are part of functional team. In real-time projects, functional guy only will handle. But let's go with the market trends. These are functional and these are technical in the system team. In what are these teams? Let us talk about first of all, and then I will explain you what we cover. We have core HR module. In this core HR module team, we are going to see all our clients configurations team, like client organizations, work structures, entire employee management will happen in this core HR module team, starting from hiring of the employee to terminating of the employee. Everything will be maintained in core HR module team. Then we have absence module. Okay. In every company, we have the concept of leaves. If you people are working in any organization's team, you have different types of leaves that you will be taking. So this is a leave management module. What are all leaves that our client providing to their employees? That all we will configure in this module. Then payroll. This is salary module team. Every company, every month, they have to pay salaries to the employees team. So in payroll management, we will talk about that salary processing and all team. Then in every company, performance appraisals will be there. Every year, company will conduct appraisals and they will promote, demote like that team. So we have talent management module to conduct all that team. Then compensation module. A part of salary team, if you want to pay any shift allowance, bonus, overtime allowance, any shares that you want to give to the employees, you want to pay to the employees, we have compensation module to handle that team. Benefits module. In the countries like United States team or UK or Canada or Australia, employees are associated with different insurance plans. For that, company will deduct some part from employee salary and company will pay. Like in US, they have Medicare or health insurances and all team. That all we will handle in benefits module. Then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. In every company, employee attendance tracking is important. Punch in, punch out. When employee enter into the office team, biometric thumb he will give and he will enter. Or he will swipe the card and he will enter. Or he will fill the timesheet. Every month, employee attendance recording is important. For that, we have the module called OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have OLC team, Oracle Learning Cloud. See, in many companies team, when you onboard, companies will ask you to complete several trainings team, different courses portal they will give you. You have to go through all that courses. They will conduct the exams. They will give the certificates. In any company, within their employees, company want to conduct any trainings. They require a platform to conduct the classes, to give the video recordings portal, everything. So within Oracle Fusion HCM system, we have a module called Oracle Learning Cloud for that services team. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud team. Basically, in any organization team, when HR want to hire the employee, HR first identify the requirement. Then they will post the advertisement in Naukri, in LinkedIn, different job portals. Then HRs will download the applicant profiles. HR will screen the profiles. They will conduct the interviews. They will release the offer letters. They will onboard the employees. Entire employee recruitment activities team in Fusion system will be taken in Oracle Recruiting Cloud Module team. Then we have help desk and safety modules. This is an internal communication channel. In market, we have different third-party tools like Slack, Pidgin, different chatbots we have team. Within Fusion system, between their employees, if they have a communication channels to build, we have these communicate or help desk and safety modules team. Okay. Then team, if you come to the technical front, we have security administration module. See, once the client started using the system, if they started hiring the employees team, for every employee, application portal access to be given, because it's a HR portal application team. Every employee should able to log in with his account. He should able to check his employment details. He should able to apply the leave. He should able to check the pay slips, everything team, right? So in security, that user account creation to the employees, how it happen, or how the access to be provisioned when a user login to what all functionalities the user should have access, that all will controlled in this module called security team. Then we have workflows and approvals module. See, in every company team, we have different approvals in place. For example, my client telling, Kumar, when my employee apply the leave, it should go for employee manager approval. Once manager approves, it should go for HR approval. So to develop that approval flows in the system across the modules, we have one module called workflows and approvals team. Then we have customizations and personalization. My client telling, Kumar, here I want my company logo to come, not Oracle. The background theme, I want it in white color. Or these icons, Kumar, I want in different color font, in different images I want. Any page level customizations you want to do, we have a concept called a sandbox in the system. We will do that here, team. Then we have inbound integrations. Any bulk data that we want to upload into the Fusion system. See, during the initial implementation time, for example, team, Reliance bought the product from Oracle. They given project to Deloitte team. Now we are working in Deloitte. We onboarded for the project. Reliance, prior to Oracle, using SAP or some other HR tool. Reliance having some 30,000 employees data in that. Now Reliance moving to Oracle Fusion, we are implementing that. So we have to migrate all that employees data from their existing SAP SuccessFactors to Oracle Fusion. How? So in order to bulk upload the data, Oracle given two data migration tools, HDL and spreadsheet. We will be talking about them here, team. Then we have something called outbound integration, nothing but team reports in the system. When client using the system, they want to extract several reports in their day-to-day life. Let's say client asking me, hey Kumar, I want to know in the month of April, how many employees hired in Hyderabad location. Kumar, I want to know in the month of March, how many employees went on vacation leave. Different reports team. So Oracle given 3 reporting tools in the system called BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. Then team, we have something called fast formula. One of the most happening concept in HCM or in the market. If your profile have fast formula mentioned, just like that call will schedule. That important burning sensation team, fast formula. So across the modules, you take absence, payroll, compensation, OTL, in different modules to maintain different calculations, different validations in the system. Oracle given a concept called fast formula team. It's a combination of English and mathematical statements team. So that is called fast formula. So Kumar, among all these things, what we are going to learn, really market is good at recruiting in which areas? Do we have to learn all these things? One point very clearly, I'm saying, very clearly. Again, I'm repeating, one point I'm telling very clearly to everyone in the call today. No one in the market, no one in the market will have knowledge on all the things. Mark my words. Okay. You can record it and you can tell me, Kumar, I have this consultant who know everything in the market. No. In general, we don't have team. Anywhere one or two very exceptional, that's different story. Okay. One in odd out will be their team. But as part of trainings, as a trainers, we have to explore the things we will be touch basing. But regularly, people who working in this technology, no one will work on all the things team. So what we have to learn, so this training that what we are going to provide in TrioTech under me, this is going to be a techno-functional training. This is going to be a techno-functional training. This is not a functional nor a technical. This is techno-functional training. Kumar, why Kumar? I mean, like you're telling that everything is not required, but again, you are telling techno-functional. Yes, I'll tell you what we cover. Whatever I am bolding here, that will be covered team. Please focus on my Excel sheet here. As part of functional team, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and comp. Benefits will not be covered, comp. Then technical side, security, workflows and approval, customizations and personalization, inbound integrations, okay, outbound integrations, and fast formula. So whatever that I bolded here, team, these modules will be covered as part of this program. These are far sufficient. Okay. Not only to start your career, to continue your employment for next 10, 15 years also, these are sufficient. In an exceptional cases, depending upon the project requirement, your project manager will insist, we should also require OLC, ORC. Then you think about them. But to start your career, to get the calls in the market, these are sufficient team. So learn these 4 or 5 modules from functional and these aspects from technical. So this is techno-functional training. So here in this BI reports concept team, we required SQL prerequisite because without SQL, we cannot build that. I'll tell you, Kumar, before the session, you made a statement. It's a completely zero coding. Now you are telling that SQL is required. Just I will be stick on to that point, team. Whoever have the knowledge on SQL, keep BAP reports also in the resume. Okay. If you don't have that, don't waste your time. Don't learn SQL. Don't stress on that. Just keep this component from the resume. We can keep remaining modules, remaining technical aspects team. Still, your profile will considered as a techno-functional. SQL part wherever is needed, that BA reports, that one component exclude in the resume, not required. It's not mandatory. Even whatever I am covering in the training also, everything you need to keep. What exclusive to focus in the resume in our placement activity workshops, I will tell you. I'm going to take sessions on how to prepare the resume, how to upload the resume, how to create Naukri account and all. During that time, I will tell you, team. But as part of this training program, these are the curriculum modules that we're going to cover. Now, team, before going to the course price, the discount price, what we have for today, and also some additional benefits you are going to get as part of enrollment. Before getting into 2 minutes, I will explain you what sort of roles that you will be recruited, team. Because this is also a serious concern or a doubt people will have. Kumar, should I drop my resume as a functional or should I drop my resume as a technical consultant? See, team, once you learn this technology, companies will recruit you on this roles team. Functional consultant, Oracle Fusion HCM functional consultant. Some will call associate team. Okay. Then technical consultant. And the most demandable team, techno-functional consultant. Okay. Market looks for these kind of people's team. Any company will recruit on these 3 kind of roles. So team, okay. So team, functional consultants, if you learn only functional modules team, you can drop as a functional consultant. If you learn only technical concepts, core technical infusion is these things team, you can drop as a technical consultant. But if you learn both, you can drop as a techno-functional. See, in a project team, if 10 HCM consultants are working, 7 to 8 resources will be on functional front. 1 to 2 only will work on technical fronting. Now you decide what you want to go. If you ask me, either drop as a functional consultant or techno-functional, but only technical consultant if you drop. The scope of technical infusion is very less. Prior to Fusion team in e-business suite, we have very high involvement of technical people. Without a technical consultant, project cannot be implemented. But in Fusion, it's a ready-made application, drag and drop kind of stuff in technical team. So functional consultant only can handle that also. So exclusive technical consultants in Fusion scope is minimal team. So rather than taking 2 people, companies will always think that if I take one person who knows both, that is a cost advantage to them. Correct team? In a project, rather than taking 2 people, one person who knows both, if company take that person, it's a cost saving for him. 2 salaries no need to pay, no. One person is doing both. You can handle that. So team, this curriculum also rephrased in such a way that as per the market requirement currently, what is needed, we have restructured that team. Companies, when they reach out to us for trained resources team, usually every month companies will reach out to us to provide the trained resources database team. They were asking for these modules mandatorily. On top of that, OTL, ORC, OLC, that's depending upon project to project team. But these things to be mandatorily learned modules in the market. So you also plan yourself as techno-functional consultant. Okay. Okay. Techno-functional consultant team. You have to learn this training as a techno-functional consultant. So our program also will be with that only. Now let me go on to the course details team. So as I mentioned team, the training will be for 3 months. Today is the demo. It's a free demo. From tomorrow, regular classes are going to start. Every one of you, please go through this course features slide here team. So it's going to be 3 months program, Monday to Friday, evening 7:30 to 8:30. As today is demo, slightly session extended for more time. But starting from tomorrow, 7:30 to 8:30, strictly timings will be team. As part of this training program, along with the live training, you will be getting lifetime access to the recordings team. When I say lifetime access to the recordings, now also our session is recording team. As soon as you enroll team, you will get the portal access to your email. You can go to TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com. Here you will have a button called a live classes team. Go here, pass your user ID and password and sign in team so that your portal will come here. If you go to enrolled courses team, your course will be there here team. Okay. You can go, you can click on your course team. All your sessions will be available every day here. It will upload into the portal. So everyday sessions, just click on that. Here the session will play on the right side team. So every session will be recorded and it will be uploaded into the portal. It's our own learning management portal team. So with topic names in a sequential order. So if anyone missed the session everyday team, okay. If anyone missed the session any day team, you can able to refer this in the portal. Every day sessions will upload like this, sequential wise, module wise team. Numbering will be there. You can able to have this for lifetime. Even in the real time projects when you working, if you want to refer this sessions team, you can able to refer them. And along with that team, you will be getting application access to the Oracle Fusion team. So usually we provide 5 months of server access. Okay. When I say server access team, this Fusion application server access. Usually outside, you will be getting demo instances team every 1 day, every 3 days, or maximum 5 days. Data will refresh. Whatever you configure, Oracle will clear all that data team. You have to again repractice. But in TrioTech, we provide you a dedicated private server. For the next 5 months, the server will be available to you team. 5 months of Fusion app real-time server, nothing different. Once you get the job, in what application you are going to work, that is the environment we are going to give you team. 5 months server access you will be getting, but as part of the early bird offer, you will be getting 7 months that I will explain next tab team. And for every module team, real-time live projects will be there. So for every module, whatever the projects that we've been working through, we will give you the requirement gatherings from that team. So the real-time project assignments will be there. You can able to practice them hands-on team, and you can share it back to us. We can evaluate that as well team, so that you will get more hands-on real-time knowledge. If you keep experience and if you drop the resume also, if a question comes to you, you can able to answer that team. I can tell that team, once you learn this program, once you complete this program for 3 months with a perfect roadmap, if you drop the resume showcasing 4 to 5 years of experience also, you will be in a situation to clear the interview team. Because this is not just a high-level theoretical training. It's going to be a very practical, detailed, end-to-end implementation training team. 1 second. I will also show you the course components team. Let me share back my screen. Here you could able to see. For every module, if you could see this team, this Excel sheet after the enrollment, we will be sharing to everyone. This is global HR. What all configurations we have to do. A list we will be having ready-made team. What all we have to do. Then if you go to absence module, what all configurations we have in absence. Then if you go to payroll, what all configurations you have team. Then if you go to talent profiles, in every module team, we have listed out a kind of cheat sheet. In any project you go, this sheet you have to save team. This is very important. Once I share this Excel team, you have to download that. This is to be for your lifetime, not only for now. When you get into the real-time projects also, this is going to be the Excel that which will be a savior to you. So you don't need to refer any Oracle documentation, nothing. Just follow my steps, what I have trained you in the course team. So this is the course sheet team you will be getting. And moreover, this is not only the implementation training. This will be also end user training also. Means how to configure the system. Once we hand over the system to the client, how they will be using that in their day-to-day life. What are all the transactions they have team. Both will be covered in this training. So this is going to be an end-to-end implementation and also end user training. Both the sides of the coin you will understand team. And for every module team, structured materials will be provided to you. For every one of you team, after the enrollment today, we will be giving you this materials drive access team. See, TrioTech HCM batch materials. For every module, this is core HR, absence, compensation, fast formula, outbound, inbound, payroll, sandbox, security. For every module team, we have folders placed here. If you go, the real-time manuals, it will be available. Custom manuals team to make your life easy. Everyday session is documented. If you miss the session also, just refer my PDF sufficient team. Step by step, every concept explanation in our understandable English, okay, with screenshots, how to perform that configuration team. These user manuals also will be provided as part of the training. So this is core HR PDF with 130-page size team. For every module, you will have that team. And in every module, the PPTs and assignments team. So this is the assignment for core HR module, one of the real-time requirement I have given team. So here you can see, so I've given the requirement team to configure. So this is assuming the client organization structure to configure that and different scenarios to perform team. After the assignment configuration, transactions, test cases team. In real-time projects, we call them as test cases. How to perform that test cases team. And for every module, assignmental based interview questions. I will give you the questions and you have to give me the answers team. After that, I will provide you interview question and answer. It's not about questions team. Again, I'm telling you, everywhere you might get questions, but here in TrioTech, you will get questions with answers team. See, if you go to interview questions folder, both freshers and real-time scenario-based team. Question with answer you will get here team for every module. From where we prepared all these means from your previous batch. Every time I will always insist my students team, when you attending the real-time interviews after the program, try to record that interviews so that you can prepare yourself in a more better way after that team. So these all interview questions prepared from that repository only. These all are the questions that our students face it from different companies. So we filtered based upon companies wise also. Oracle, how the interview questions will be. Deloitte, how the interview questions will be. If it is Avalon Software, how the questions will be. Or if it is KPMG or PwC, Accenture, even company wise also we filtered team. So interview question and answers you will be getting team. And as part of the placement support team, we have a dedicated placement team. So after the program or during the program team, they will be start interacting with you. You will be getting all your help regarding your resume preparation. We will be conducting workshop sessions on how to prepare the resume. Fresher means how to prepare. Experience it means how to prepare. How to create Naukri portal, LinkedIn portal, how to reach out to HRs in LinkedIn to share our profiles. Every single aspect from resume preparation to market our profile, we will conduct workshop sessions team. And every Saturday morning 10 a.m. to afternoon 2 p.m. in our Hyderabad office, we located in KPHB team. If anyone want to come down to the office, you can come down. Just go to the Google, type TrioTech Software Trainings team. Yes, you can find our address here. Okay. We are based out nearby Nexus Mall in KPHB 9th phase team. Okay. You can find that. So every Saturday in Hyderabad office, we do conduct mock interviews from real-time working professionals as a panel team. If you're not from Hyderabad, you can book your slot 3 days before team by Wednesday like that, so that we can conduct the mocks team. And also we do help out with the interview referrals. I don't know how many people following our Instagram profile or our WhatsApp statuses team. Every single day, we will post different requirements with respective to this domain team. So from our side, we will be pushing your profile dedicatedly because companies will reach out to us for trained resources team, freshers or experienced. HRs will be contacting our team or placement officer to provide the resumes. From our side, we will push the profiles for interview scheduling as well team. And also for freelancing opportunities, we will push your profile. And also you have a daily Q&A WhatsApp support team, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Every day in the class, you can discuss with me. But beyond that, while you practicing, if you have anything, you have a WhatsApp support dedicatedly, you can reach out to us for one-on-one doubts team. So these are the entire course highlights for this program team, right? Then now coming to the early board offer. So before getting into that team, you can quickly walk through some of our placement success stories. So if you are following our company WhatsApp status or in the group or in the Instagram or YouTube profiles team, you will be seeing these also. These are the students who got placed and who texted back with a gratitude showing towards me or towards the training program team. Like when they got placed with a very happy note, they've been sharing back with us that they got placed into the industries team. here many of the candidates underlying team are showcasing experiences and they will be trying. So for their security reasons, because they are showing fake experiences team, we should not able to display their pictures directly. Few of the candidates who are ready and openly given, they have given their testimonials team. You can check out in Insta and YouTube. But these are the student testimonials you can find who texted back with their placement newses with us team. So you can check out all these things, and even you can see some of the student success stories in the recent order to say interviews that happened team in TrioTech. And even you can go through the Google reviews also, the latest reviews directly, you can Google it and you can find. And some of the students that who secured in different companies, you can able to check out here team. Okay. Deloitte, Accenture, TCS, Evosys, Apps Associate, and the company called B-Trions, DriveStream. They continuously recruit freshers also team from our institute, trained resources. Okay. Then like this, after the enrollment team today, you will be added into the WhatsApp community. So every day we will share the requirements to you in the WhatsApp community like this, Clover Infotech, B-Trans, Avalon. So you can apply team directly and you can mention the referral from TrioTech by Kumar sir. You can able to apply to different companies with the job referrals that we providing team. Okay. So now moving on to the course fee details and all team. You can find them in the Excel here, sorry, in the PPT team. The course fee will be 25,000 plus GST in general, the course fee team. But usually for every batch for day one, we will give the early bird offer team. So people who enrolling today or before first half tomorrow team, this early bird offer we have team, that is 22,999 plus GST. What additional benefits you will get in this means, usually you will get 5 months of server access for practice team. People enrolling with this offer price, you will be getting 2 months of additional server access worth 6,000. In general, you just do a casual inquiry. If you want to purchase only Oracle Fusion instance for practice, per month 3,000 to 4,000 institutes will charge team. So that what 6,000 rupees you will be getting additional benefit as part of this early bird enrollment team. The price reduced to 22,999 for day one enrollments plus GST and 2 months additional server access. Along with that, here I mentioned some concepts team. HDL, HCM data loader, fast formula concepts team. For these two concepts, ready-made project templates that what me or my team worked on in different projects team, what ready-made built-in templates means ready to use templates you will be getting as part of this early bird offer team. And for fast formula also team, ready-made inbuilt solution for different scenarios in absence, payroll, compensation modules for the clients that what we given the different ready-made fast formula solutions team, that book also you will be getting fast formula guide with all ready-made formulas. You can directly use them if the requirement matches to you in your projects team. So total 7 months server access you will get as part of this early bird offer team. So this is about the demo that we plan. We have few more concepts left out team, that is knowledge repository and certification process that I will take up in tomorrow's session. So as I told you, from tomorrow, regular sessions will get started team. So I request everyone, please do complete your registrations. What you will get team after the registration, our team sharing the registration link also for the payment team. You can get that payment done with that link team. If you go to the chat board, you can see a payment link have been shared team. I request everyone, you can confirm your payment from that and you can share your screenshot to the mentioned numbers team. So that after the registration team, you will be given with a new Zoom meeting link for tomorrow's session and you will be added into the WhatsApp community for the batch, and this portal access you will be getting in the mail along with the materials drive folder also team. So after the enrollment, already people who enrolled, don't worry. maximum by tonight or tomorrow morning, you will be getting the emails of your account creation, everything team. So people yet to enroll, the registration link for the payment we have shared in the chat board team. Please do confirm the enrollment. If you miss that chat button, you will be missing the sessions from tomorrow team. So starting from tomorrow evening 7:30 p.m. sharp session will start, because after that I have one more slot for another batch team. So I request everyone, please do join on time from tomorrow 7:30 p.m. IST, right? So now let me move on to questions for today team. So any questions in today's session team? I have unmuted everyone. If you have any questions in place, you can please reach out to me. Any doubts?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, one at a time. Yes.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm Harinath.
Harinath, please.
Sir, can we learn this course at your institute in KPHP offline also?
Definitely. Session is online because it is night, evening, right? But every day morning 9:30 to evening 6:30, institute remains open. You can come down to the institute. We have a lab facility there. You can sit in the office and you can practice. This is the address.
No,
Directly you can go.
no, I'm not talking about
Session
the
you cannot
practice.
attend online from the office. It's an
Okay,
online class. But for practice, you can come. Yeah.
Okay. So you're saying that it's completely online, or the learning the course
Session
is online, whereas practice only at institute. Okay.
If you want to discuss, I will be there, or the other students will come to and fro. You can sit and you can practice. Next question, team.
Hello, Kumar, sir. Yeah,
Yes,
I
Rupa.
wanted to. See, I wanted to understand, like, it was, thank you for the session. It was really elaborative. You covered like most of the things, and you also went in detail of the topics that you are covering. I had a question on, these days we are talking a lot of AI agents and all, right?
True.
Would you be covering a kind of overview of how AI agents are used
Definitely.
in
What is AI? And
HCM
also I
content?
forgot to mention in a rush. Nowadays, everyone in Fusion technology talking about the Redwood UI concept also. So on these two aspects also in the training, we will be discussing.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi,
Hello,
Satya.
I'm Satya.
Yes, Satya.
Yeah, I have one doubt. For every day, the class will be completed, no?
Correct.
Yeah, at the same time, you will upload the that day class on the portal, or
1
at
hour
the
it
last
will
day?
take. 7:30 to
Yeah.
8:30 session means by 9:30 or maximum by 10 o'clock, my backend team will upload into the portal. You can access that. No problem.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. No need to wait for the next day. Okay.
Kumar, this is Namit. I have a question that in the sequence of different modules, is it possible to have the talent management before the payroll?
Usually I will follow a kind of sequence. So generally I will take up after payroll. But if you want for a slight adjustment, I can do that because there is no dependency of these two things. We can take talent individually once after we completing core HR. We can plan, no problem. That is doable, no issue.
Sure, perfect. Thanks, Kumar.
No problem. And Niveta, please. You raised your hand. Niveta, please.
Yeah, actually, thank you for the session. We
Thank you.
already made a payment, and actually, my doubt was regarding that fast formula you mentioned, right?
Yeah.
So it will be a detailed session, right?
Definitely. After the session, you will be in a situation to work on the fast formula. Definitely.
Okay, that is not relevant to SQL. That is different.
No. See, SQL flavor will be there, but not a direct SQL concept, that is.
Okay.
Without that also you can learn.
Sure.
Yes.
This is Selva here. Now,
Selva, please.
yeah, I just wanted to know about the certifications through Oracle. So what are the...
See, usually certification I planned for tomorrow, but just let me give you a high level overview on that. Usually Oracle conducts certification exam module wise, Selva, not for entire HCM cloud application. Different modules we have in place, right? So usually Oracle will conduct for each module separate exam, and somewhere around 23,000 like that Oracle will charge for each exam. And the pass percentage should be around 70 to 75% you have to get. And the Each question paper size will be around 75 to 80 questions in between. We will have a support for that also. We will provide the
Okay.
dumps, and we do have a proxy support for that also. But that we will discuss offline, not in the session, because it's recorded.
No, I understand that. So, but tomorrow we are going to discuss about
We're
it,
going to
right?
discuss, no problem.
All right.
Detailedly, we will
Thank you.
explain the end-to-end to-and-fro process. Thank you.
All right.
Hello.
Next
Hello.
question.
Hi, hello. Hi, Kumar sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah,
Good evening.
basically, I'm a MSc background,
Mhm,
and
mhm.
that took in 2010, and did 5 years as a medical coder. After that, due to pregnancy, I took a long break around 7 years. So,
Okay.
is this the correct one to choose this career as a career?
Definitely you can learn, because many people from a long career breaks, when they're restarting their career into IT, we have only few applications where the companies have that acceptance. One of them is this Oracle Fusion also. But the only thing is the right approach and the proper planning should be made here. What is that plan? I'll explain it offline. Please reach out to our support team. I mean to say, you have to showcase some sort of relevant experience for that gap. Not full 7 years, at least last 3 or 4 years. Something like you've been working in this technology and you are
Yes.
pitching the. I hope you understood what I'm trying to tell, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, exactly.
And one more thing is, can I able to the non-science background? Are we able to learn this properly?
Definitely.
Like
See,
others?
I have many candidates. I can recently quote also people from banking backgrounds working as a financial analyst or a core salesperson in insurance selling people. They've been also more successfully. No problem in that, because this is not a robo science, or this is not something more technically driven subject. It's a more functional application. Already application pre-built by Oracle. We are just going to configure the client's data into the system as per their convenience and the requirement. So definitely you can able to cope up. Learning point, leave it to me. The only thing is how much of time you are spending to learn it is what matter. Every day 1 hour session, 1 hour to 2 hours of practice. If you could do for 3 to 4 months, definitely you can enter into the IT industry. If at least you don't have time every day, over the weekends, if you put 3 to 4 hours and if you cover that entire week schedule, it's good. Next question, team.
Hello.
Thanks.
Hi, sir.
Good
Hi,
evening.
Kumar.
Yeah,
Hello.
hi.
Hi, Kumar.
Yeah, hi.
హలో సార్, ఇప్పుడు మీరు రిపోర్ట్స్ కూడా చెప్తారు కదా, బిఏ రిపోర్ట్స్ అండ్ ఓటీబీ రిపోర్ట్స్ అండ్ ఎస్క్యూఎల్ రాకపోయినా కూడా
కవర్ అయితే అవుతుంది. బిఏ రిపోర్ట్స్, ఓటీబీ రిపోర్ట్,
అదే
ఎస్క్యూఎల్ అయితే
అంటే మీ
కవర్
సైడ్
చేయము. బట్ సెలెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మాత్రమే మనం బిఏ రిపోర్ట్స్ లో వాడతాం. సో ఎట్లాగా
అంటే
వాడతాం అనేది మాత్రం చెప్తాం.
బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో మేము దాన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటా ఉంటాము. కాకపోతే అంటే మీ సైడ్ నుంచి మీరైతే
కవర్
దాని
అవుతుంది.
గురించి క్లియర్ గా చెప్తారుగా.
ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ కవర్ అవుతుంది. ట్రైనింగ్ అయిన తర్వాత మీరు మీ సెల్ఫ్ గా బిఏ రిపోర్ట్, ఓటీబీ రిపోర్ట్ బిల్డ్ చేసి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు.
షూర్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. సార్
Hello.
యాక్చువల్లీ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్ అండ్ హలో.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Myself Darshini. So I'm basically from UK. So just wanted to know, basically there the interview questions will be, they will be expecting us to answer in the STAR module. So will
What
the
is it?
interview
STAR
questions,
module.
yes, sir.
STAR module means?
A situation, task,
Acha,
and
scenario
how we
based.
apply. Yes, scenario based, exactly, sir. So
See,
will that
that's
be
what
covered?
that will be covered during the training only. I will use usually the points whenever there is a scenario. I will tell this is an interview question. Please make a note of it like that. See,
Okay.
by 3 months, you can prepare from my sessions only more than 300-400 questions. Along with that, a repository is always there as a savior to you. These all are what real-time scenario-based questions are currently in the market. Whatever the questions that our students facing, where is that folder? Interview questions here. So these are what they are scenario-based only. You will get all this. See.
Oh, all right. Okay, sir.
Hello,
You will
sir.
get this repository. No problem.
Yeah, hi,
Hello, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, I wanted to know. I have 10 years of experience, 10 plus years experience. So, joining this course, maximum how many years of experience can we put?
See, I suggest maximum 3 to 4 years to showcase. If you keep beyond that, the expectation level will be very high and you will be in trouble.
Okay.
3 to 5
And when you
years,
get
3 to
said
4 or
BA
something
reports,
is decent.
so are we talking about business analyst role?
Business analyst role is not related to this. That's a different subject. This is implementation consultant in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud.
And one more question I had, sir.
Part of it we will be
So,
learning.
for interview, will you give us guidance till we don't get a job? Like probably it might take 6 months, 8
There is
months.
no time
So,
limit. I mean, like that. As I told you, our WhatsApp will be available, or our call is available, or you can come down to the office anytime. There is nothing like that. But maximum, keep in mind, everyone I'm telling, very on a very serious note, you have to made up your mind. Maximum 5 months or maximum 6 months. 6 months, you should get a job. That is what
How
our
about
mindset should be.
for people who are in USA right now?
Didn't get what is the question?
How about for people who are in USA right now? Like they have visa constraint and another the things.
Visas and all, I cannot comment on
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. I mean,
But
it take
market
more
in
longer time
market,
than in India
no,
compared to India.
market for this technology is very good across all the markets. US, you take Canadian market, you take Australia, you take Middle East, you take. And I can tell you something. Oracle crossed SAP already, and it's been already 2 years. That success rate of Oracle is there. Across every region, Oracle applications adoption by different companies is very high. Recently, a student in US in these difficult times with 7 years experience in Deloitte US, one of the students secured 170K package. Exactly. So we have that sort of demand is there across everywhere. The only thing is the right way of preparation and the right way of marketing our profile. These two is very
You
important.
secured it in Oracle HCM?
HCM, obviously. We are talking about our subject only. I'm not talking about any other things.
Good evening, sir.
Good
evening, Kumar, sir.
Hyderabad.
Ma?
Yeah, I passed out in 2010.
Someone is speaking, but your voice is low and high at your time.
Good
Who is that?
evening. Yeah,
Yeah,
good
good evening,
evening, sir.
Geeta, please.
I'm Sai Geeta, sir. Actually, I have a problem, sir. Actually, I had joined in January 30 batch, sir. January
Geeta, you
30.
discuss with the support team for switching the schedule if you want. This is a
Yeah,
demo. Yeah, you can discuss with support team. They will switch that. No issue. Okay. Next
Yeah,
question, please.
yeah, hi,
Yes,
Kumar. Pawan here.
I have a quick
Yes,
question
Pawan.
actually.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
Pawan.
actually, yeah, I just have a small question. So there is a passed out from 2017. So I mean, is there any possibility that can join as a fresher? I mean, after learning
No.
this course?
No. See,
No.
2017 means it's already 8 years.
8 years, yeah.
Freshers means either 1 year, 2 years, or maximum 3 years from graduation. Okay. That is a very long period actually. 1-2 years only companies will consider you as a fresher. After
Yeah.
that, definitely you have to keep some experience and you have to try.
So then how we are going to approach then? I mean, what will be the approach, like how we are joining into that back to the IT again by learning this course?
That's what I told you. Already 3 candidates asked the question. I told that you have to showcase some sort of relevant experience by taking some documentation support that you discuss with the support. They will guide you on that. Okay.
Okay.
Because this session we will publish in YouTube. That
Yeah,
doesn't
okay,
look
sure.
to discuss all
Yeah,
these things.
sure.
Hey Kumar, I have two doubts.
Sunil?
Does Oracle Cloud HCM support API as well? That's the first question. And then the second question is the course included with Oracle Recruiting Cloud as well?
ORC is not part of this. We have a separate program for that. Core HR
Okay.
plus ORC. Because ORC is a very big module. ORC alone will take 40-45 hours of duration. So we cannot
Yeah.
club that in this. So we have separate training for that. But REST
Okay.
APIs concept we have in HCM. We will use them in the integrations.
Oh, so REST APIs is covered in this course?
No, we will not cover. We have Fusion Technical plus OIC one course is there in that. Because REST APIs we don't use in core functional or core technical aspects. Only in integrations we will use that.
Right. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
So,
Hello.
Kumar, a quick question actually. So you will support 100% job support or
100% placement assistance will be there. As I told you, we have a dedicated placement team available in TrioTech who will be guiding you in all these aspects. So if you see the second tab here, mock interviews, resume preparation, interview referrals, everything, definitely we will be assisting you on that. With our support, you can able to get placed. That I can tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. Let's join back tomorrow. So I request everyone, please do complete your registration team. And if anyone want to contact, you can contact us on the number displayed here, or you can directly Google it and you can find our number. Please drop a message so that our team will revert back team, or they will schedule a call tomorrow morning. So I request everyone, please find the registration link for the payment in your chat board. So our team sharing it continuously, team. Please do confirm the enrollment and get yourself registered. From tomorrow, sessions are going to start. Okay, sharp at 7:30. You will be enrolled into the WhatsApp community after the payment, then TrioTech portal access, Fusion instance access, Drive folder, and tomorrow's Zoom meeting link. These all will be shared to you after the registration team. Enrolled participants, again, I'm telling, don't worry. You will be getting the emails by tonight or maximum by tomorrow morning. Okay. So please do confirm by today, team, with this early bird offer, so that you will be able to get yourself registered with the lowest price that we have for today. Okay. Thank you, everyone, team. Sorry for troubling you and keeping you wait for more 1 hour today, because it's a demo. I cannot skip the concepts. From tomorrow, we are going to have the introduction to the Fusion application, team. I will directly log into the system and I will start the subject directly, team. Right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for attending the session today, team. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll start with our actual training program. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And good night, everyone, team. Thank you.